I have some exciting news for you today. We have a new Happy Planner layout. This is really cool. Wait until you see it. If you're new here, hi, my name's Mary Ellen. I teach you how to plan in creative and functional ways, and sometimes I show you really cool new products. This is called the Simply Layout. This is a 12-month planner. It goes from July this year to June of next year. This is available at Walmart and at walmart.com. So this is a classic size planner, but the cool thing about this, besides the layout, is it's thin and the discs are small. They're the mini size discs, but it doesn't sacrifice quality of paper or anything, and we'll talk about that. So this tells you a little bit about the Simply layout. It says this simplified layout includes a side-by-side weekly design that will allow you to see your plans 2 weeks at a time. Stay organized when you're on the go. Carry the streamlined planner design to work, school, or your daily commute. So the reason that this planner is so thin is because you only have 1 page per week. If you know Happy Planner at all, you'll know that that is extremely different from anything we've had before. So this is pretty exciting. Let me show you what this one looks like. So we have these really pretty florals on the front. It says 2023. We have gold plastic discs. And then inside, look at these flowers. They're so pretty. I love them so much. Here's the name page in this really pretty coral color. And then we go right into the planner here. Here's your year at a glance pages, 2023 and 24. Nothing earth-shattering here. Looks the same as the other planners have. Here's your currently page. This is for July. We have 1, 2, 3 priorities here, a section that says important, and a take note section, which is lined. And then it's going to have your holidays down here. So it looks like the currently pages in, the 2023 planners that we've seen so far. But what makes this different is the weekly pages. So let's take a look. There's your monthly, again, same deal, simple font. It's really good. So this is what your weekly pages look like. It kind of resembles a dashboard layout in that we have these blocks for the dates, but there are some differences. Of course, we don't have a note section at the bottom here. We do have this Monday through Sunday here, which is always nice. So you can do like habit tracking or meal planning or whatever you want here. But in the dashboard layout, you have another page that's like to-do lists and sections and stuff, and that's absent here. Instead, we have 2 weeks next to each other, which is kind of cool, I think, especially if you're someone who is new to decorative planning and just want to try it out, or new to planning in general, or maybe you're somebody who wants a thinner planner to take on the go, but you don't want to sacrifice the paper quality and you want to still have the Happy Planner paper quality. Or maybe you're someone who doesn't need a lot of lists, you don't need extra sections, and all you want is the basics, like 1 section per day. So I think this is a really good idea for various situations, depending on, what you might want it for. So that's what the weekly pages look like. They're going to look the same in every month. We've got the little polka dots in the middle. So let's just take a look at the dividers. So we have August, September. That's my birth month. Yes, I like that. Beauty is all around. Bloom and grow, be strong, and know you're beautifully you. Ooh, that's pretty. Never stop dreaming. Plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. There's January, very pretty. Bumble's digging in her bed. Can you hear her? I don't know what she digs for, but she keeps digging. The grass is green where you water it. More florals here. I love these colors. They're so pretty. Believe in the good. One happy life. And there's some June florals for you for next year. And then the back just has 1 note page, and then this is the inside of the back cover, and then the back cover looks pretty much like the front cover, right? So that is that, the Simply layout. The other good thing about this planner is it's at a lower price point. So it's $19.99, and if you're someone who really wants to save money on planner supplies, this could be a good option for you. I'll put a link to this in the description box. I'm trying to get a Walmart affiliate link. I don't know if it will be an affiliate link or not, depending on if I get approved by the time this video goes out, but I will link it for you anyway. You can go check it out and let me know in the comments what you think of this. I'm interested in hearing your feedback. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.